I'm not going to do here because it's going to be too small, so I'll go to the next one. There you go. Now I can go to the next, jump the other one, even though it's a little bigger, but I can jump, and I go this way. I pull to the left side my thread. Let me fix my needle. It's getting tangled a little bit. There you go. We fold this. Now there's already enough space here, so I don't want to jump from here to the other. I don't want to jump 1 and 2 because I have already space from wherever I worked to here. So I'm going to just put right here. And this time I pull my thread this side. See how even it makes the petals? Now I'm going to jump from here to here because that's the way, the size I want that to be. Now, next one, I'm going to do again to the next neighbor. There you go. It's not always happens that way, but that's the way the stitches are. So this way, you can have extra seeds because the needle point, the needle lace, it gets bigger and bigger. So you need extra seeds. So to make it more and more. If we keep the same seeds from the beginning to the end, it will become like a cup. So we have to always add up extra seeds so it gets bigger and bigger, your needle point. I don't think it will be very hard for you. Once you work it out, once you practice a lot, you're going to see and you're going to know that it's really not that difficult and it's working okay. So now here, and now I'm going to go to the next one. There you go. And again, I'm going to go to the next one because it looks a little bit too far from here to here. See, two seeds at the same time I'm doing next to each other. There you go. Now, over here, I don't want to do here because it will be too small. I'm going to jump to the other one. I think at this time, I'm sure you got the idea. So just continue and do it. And you're going to see how good you're doing. If you can't do it, just follow my words, whatever I'm saying, and follow to the stitches, and you will do fine. I don't think you should have any difficulties. It's just that you have to be patient and work it. We're almost there. My thread, it came out. You just put your needle under the thread, fold your thread, and move it in, and it should go in. Okay, you come here. There you go. My fingers are a little bit dry because I do gardening and animals, the chickens, the fish, the turtle, the duck. So I work too much that my fingers are very, very bad condition. But I'm doing okay. I enjoy them. There you go. Okay, this will be the last one here. And this is how you see it. Now, because you have extra thread and the seeds are kind of big, you still can continue so you don't have to waste your thread if you want. If not, just cut it and you will be okay. There you go for this. Well, few little left. I'm going to continue so I can show you the top part. How do I go? All right, now my stitches is finished. I put new thread again. Let me show you. The thread goes in the back. Put your finger on. Hold it with your finger. The front, this one that it's the last one, push it away. And the same hole that you want to start, that the thread is finished, you make it, you twist the thread, and then you see the little tangle here. You just take it and you go through. When you go through, you hold it, you push it to the left, so is the thread. You push it to the left, so it gets tangled and tightened up. So, the first one, all right, the first one, just to make it secure, hold this in the back, And oh, okay, then now that we're doing the big part, while we tangled it, we have to go now to the next, but make sure that you can hold this one two together just to secure it. But if you don't want it, you don't have to, but it will make it secure that it won't tight, get untied or whatever. This needle lace, you cannot, it's not a crochet that you can pull it and it comes out. If you do any mistakes or whatever, you have to cut it, and with your needle, you have to open it one by one. That's the good part, that you cannot, it won't messes up, so don't worry. So now, from here to here, we have enough space. We just do it one, we don't jump. Here, if I jump here, it's gonna be too big, so I would not jump. I will do, just make sure every seeds will be the same. All right, okay, we're almost there. We have to finish this. I think you got the real good idea. I explain you many ways, different things to do, so you won't have any hard time not to understanding. There we go. I'm happy some people, they say I'm speaking their language. It means like I'm trying to explain you very clearly, easy, and I'm teaching you with detail. So this way, it makes it easier. All right, now this is the last seeds, this is the first one over here when we went. This is the last. We have a space. We'll do this. There you go. We're finished now. This whole circle, we're finished. Those thread later on, you can cut it closer to the needle point, needle lace. All right, we hold it. Now we're gonna start the second row. What we have to do, we're gonna do now the flowers, the petals. You're gonna put in to the next seeds and go over again and make it, join them, blind them. Now we have to make very little baby seeds. It's like almost blind. And then 3 flower petal again. That's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. This is exactly the same thing that we did the bottom part. Let me show you that when we did here, we started from top of this. This is what we did. We did the big seeds, and then we did the 3 petals flowers. If you didn't see it, let me try again for you so you will know it. Now we did 3 little petals, and then we make 1 little baby seeds. You can do like blind. You don't have to see the holes. You can make it tight. Now we go to the next stitches, next petal, and we join them together. You'll make it very, very little. You don't have to do big ones, because now we need the space for our 3 little flower petals. That's 1. This is 2. And this is 3. Make sure your finger always will be useful. Your thumb, you can use it to help you to open the flowers. Now see, it's done. Now I go and join them together, tighten them up. You make very, very little, very tight. And you can do 3 petals. And you're gonna see later on how beautiful it's gonna look. This is 2. This is 3. And now you make it very little tight, and then you go to the next and you join them together. Do you see how it looks on top of each other? And then when you go to the next row again, just the way we did the first, you'll go the first, the middle one alone, and then you join from the third one to go to the first one, and this is the design it will give you. Let me do a couple more. So you'll see, this is the little one, the little seeds. It's like you don't even see it, the seeds. It's like I'm making it blind. And then you make 3 petals next to it in the same hole, in the same wave, let's say. There. This is 2. And this is 3. And then you make it such a small one. And then you join them together. You make them blind. Again, very little one. Really little. Let's see something happen over here. Okay. And then 3 petals. There you go. 1, 2, and 3. And then little baby one. Okay, this will be almost like last one. Now do the next. Always make sure the thread is on top. The back one goes on top. That's we call blind. Join them together. Let me make this loose a little bit. Fix the thread. And then go again. Let's hold always this needle lace like this. It's easier to grab it in your hands. Okay, let's make it again. One more small one. 3 little petals, flower petals. There you go. And then small here. And then we join them with next one. There we go. Okay, I think I will be the last one, baby one. 3 flower petals. 2, 3, and then small one, and then I go to the next to join them. So this is the way you do, and you go all around, and then again you do the same thing that we did the first, and then we go to the next and next. So this is the way it is, and here it's gonna show you just like this design here. This is all one group. I did it for you so you don't have to confuse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 layer. You can do 5, but I like always to do new designs. That's why I did it only 4 lines. You can do as many lines as you want, many rows you want. Like see over here, for example, I have how many? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows we have, but because they are smaller, it's like more row it is, but it's the same size. I try to do as closer size as they are, so it will look much prettier this way. All right, well, hopefully you push the videos and you see all other needle points, but I'm gonna show you more different designs later on. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you'll try it and you will love it. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.